If you're running a preschool or daycare, you know that managing the finances can be a challenge. In particular, handling billing can be a complex and time-consuming task. You need to make sure that you're accurately tracking payments, managing invoices, and communicating with parents about fees and charges. In this video, I'll share some tips and advice for handling billing for preschools. Number 1. Use software to simplify the process. One of the most effective ways to streamline your billing process is by using software specifically designed for preschools. There are many options available that can help you automate invoicing, track payments, and manage your finances more efficiently. Number 2. Be clear about your fees and policies. It's essential to communicate clearly with parents about your fees, billing cycles, and payment policies. Make sure that your fee schedule is easy to understand and that parents know when payments are due. Number 3. Set up a system for tracking payments. You need to have a system in place for tracking payments and making sure that you're receiving them on time. Consider setting up an online payment system that allows parents to pay electronically and provides you with real-time updates. Number 4. Follow up with parents who are late on payments. It's essential to be proactive about following up with parents who are behind on their payments. Be firm but courteous in your communications and make sure that you're documenting all interactions. Number 5. Hire a bookkeeper or accountant. If managing your finances is becoming overwhelming, you may want to consider hiring a bookkeeper or accountant to help you manage your billing and expenses. They can provide you with valuable advice on financial planning and help you stay on top of your finances. Handling billing for preschools can be a challenge, but with the right tools and strategies, it's possible to manage your finances effectively. By being organized and proactive, you can ensure that your preschool runs smoothly and provides high-quality care to children. Follow us for more ideas and increase growth of your preschool. Visit our website www.mykidreports.com.